Good morning to all of you. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary from class 8. Today's thought is our prime purpose in this life is to help others, and if you can't help them, at least don't hurt them. A beautiful quote by Dalai Lama. My dear friends, helping someone in times of crisis is a wonderful act of kindness. It doesn't just make the world better, it also makes us better. Helping others is something which we have all learned since childhood. But do we all have this attitude to help others? Maybe we all are not financially strong, but it is all the attitude of a person. We need not to be too powerful and too strong to be able to help others. We can only be capable of helping someone when we feel it same for ourselves. Let us decide to help others and enrich each other's life by being good, by being kind, and avoid to become the reason of pain for other person. Maybe that person already suffering from pain. Let us make helping part of our prime purpose and try to make the lives of people around us better. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.